Hello all. This is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Again, it's Wednesday. I'm at home. I was out all day just running around paying some bills, and I picked up some special. What Grandma grew. What Grandma grew. Alright. Need some light on the situation. I'm hoping we'll be able to view this pretty good. It's called What Grandma Grew. Very nice nuts. It's okay, boy. Oh! Anyhow, I'm here having my 420 dab time. Sounds like false alarm for the dog. Happy 420 all. From Loner 420. Loner 420 House. Not sure if we'll be able to see this. This is my beautiful honey oil. It's okay, Davis. Yeah, nobody's there. Yeah, I've been out running around all day, so thought I'd have my 420 now. Indoors. Got my honey oil material here, so I'll be able to extract some more for my pain medication. Again, happy 420 all. Yeah. Peace all. Signing out.